Dean with Grow Up Media with a quick tutorial on how to edit your website. So the first thing you'll do, I'm going to back out of here, start from the beginning. So the first thing is to come up here to your search bar and type /wp-admin after your domain name. Hit enter. That will bring you to your login page. You can log in. From your dashboard, you'll go up to the left top and hit visit site. Now you're back to the front end of your website, but you'll see at the very top this black bar here. From here you can hit Page Builder. And you'll see that the elements all become editable. So for instance, if you wanted to edit this header, come over here and hit the crowbar, and you'd edit it right here. Hit save, and if you wanted to save that, you would push done and publish. Scroll down here and show a couple of the different modules that you can edit. Right here you can see the icon. Up here is some of the other tabs you'll have to tab through to edit some of the content. If you go over to content, you can see the title right here. Scroll down to the description and you can edit the description here. And you hit save. Same with any of the headers and the buttons. You could change the wording, you can change the link. To change the link, the easiest way to do that is just to hit select, and you can start typing in one of the pages on your website and it'll pop up right here. And you can just hit that and it will go to whatever page you want it to. Go back to faculty, meet the faculty, hit save. And that's about it. It's what we call a drag and drop page editor, so it is easy for the end user to manage their website. And it works the same on the home page. You can go to any of your other pages. Events, you can edit things here. Go over to rentals. And all you have to do is hit the Page Builder. And select whatever you want to edit. And right here you can see the bulletin points. You can edit each one. Hit save, done. And now you can save as a draft, and you can also discard. If you made changes and it went all loopy and you just want it back the way it was, you can hit discard right here. You can save a draft and then come back and publish it later. But for now we'll just publish this page. And that is the gist of it. If you have any more questions, let us know, or if there was something that was left out that you want to know more about, get a hold of us. Thank you.